All right, today's March 27th, and my goal today is to put the subframe back on the body. Um, First, I need to attach the fuel line because it crosses the subframe before the body mount. So it comes up here and then crosses over and then up. So once the subframe is on, from what I could tell, we'll figure out that you can't put the fuel line on once it's attached. So I'm gonna put the fuel line on, and then go from there. As far as the rear brake line on the other side, you can, because the crossing runs up the outside and then comes up and then crosses over on top here. So there's nothing in the way to that, right? Yeah, so that's the goal today, and then that's kind of it. So that sucker, going together today.